Just in from the Photography and Video Show 2024, the camera world is buzzing. From Canon's latest marvel to Sony's game changer, we've got the scoop on 5 cameras that are set to redefine our snapshots. Stay tuned for the details that'll make every shutterbug's heart skip a beat. The Sony A93, showcased at the Photography and Video Show 2024, brings revolutionary tech to redefine high-speed image making. As the world's first full-frame mirrorless with a global shutter sensor, it captures fast action without distortion. You can shoot continuous bursts at up to 120 frames per second with full AF and AE tracking, all without viewfinder blackout. The maximum 1/80,000th second shutter speed freezes split-second moments easily. This camera's speed is complemented by intelligent subject tracking. Powered by AI processing, it recognizes subjects with high precision using 759 phase detection AF points, covering 95.6% of the frame. Whether shooting erratic wildlife, high-speed sports, or fast action, the advanced AF system reliably locks focus. The A93 blends cutting-edge tech like the global shutter sensor with pro-focused features to meet the demands of professional photography and videography. It's truly a revolutionary camera for capturing the ultimate decisive moments. Expanding the boundaries of immersive content, Canon unveiled its innovative 360-degree and 180-degree 3D VR concept camera at the Photography and Video Show 2024. Still in development, this portable marvel can capture breathtaking 8K 30p and 4K 120p 3D VR videos and live streams. Its compact, lightweight design makes it perfect for content creators and filmmakers on the go. You can shoot enthralling 360-degree and 180-degree stills or videos, transporting viewers into virtual reality worlds. Notably, this is the first time Canon has showcased this convertible VR camera and its accompanying EOS R-series lenses in Europe. Whether folded for 360-degree videos or unfolded for 180-degree 3D, it opens new creative possibilities. Ideal for crafting immersive VR experiences, this concept camera fuses Canon's imaging prowess with innovative VR technology. It offers a glimpse into the future of visual storytelling for the virtual realm. Feast your eyes on Fujifilm's latest masterpiece, the X106, unveiled at the Photography and Video Show 2024. This camera is a powerful device with a 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor and the X Processor 5, providing exceptional image quality and fast performance. Whether you are capturing photos or videos, this will impress you. It can shoot 6.2K 30p and 4K 60p videos, supported by a strong IBIS system, giving you more creative options. The camera also features an intelligent hybrid AF system with deep learning AI, which can effectively track subjects using 425 phase detection points, ensuring you capture every important moment. Additionally, the Fujifilm film simulations, such as Reala Ace, add a unique analog touch to your images. This cam excels in street photography thanks to its excellent 23mm f2 lens and a hybrid viewfinder that combines optical and electronic features, which will help you explore your artistic side. Next, we have the OM system, OM1 Mark II, a marvel unveiled at the Photography and Video Show 2024. Boasting a cutting-edge 20-megapixel stacked BSI Live MOS sensor and the blazingly fast TruePic X processor, this Micro Four Thirds beast delivers blistering shooting speeds of up to 120 frames per second with the electronic shutter. Its advanced cross-quad pixel AF system, supported by 10 53 focus points and deep learning AI, effortlessly tracks subjects like birds, humans, and vehicles with pinpoint accuracy. Whether you're capturing the thrill of high-speed sports or the delicate beauty of nature, its 5-axis in-body stabilization ensures tack-sharp results. Videographers will be impressed by the camera's DCI UHD 4K 60p 14-bit video recording capabilities, including vertical video support for creative freedom. With its weather-sealed, freeze-proof construction and pro-focused features, the OM1 Mark II is a powerful tool for demanding shooting situations. At last, here's the Nikon ZF, a breathtaking fusion of classic design and modern innovation, which made its grand debut at the Photography and Video Show 2024. Inspired by Nikon's legendary FM2, this full-frame marvel exudes a retro charm that will transport you back to the golden age of photography. Yet, beneath its vintage allure lies a cutting-edge 24.5-megapixel BSIC MOS sensor, delivering exceptional image quality, rapid autofocus, and lightning-fast burst rates of up to 30 FPS. Whether you're capturing the grace of a ballerina mid-leap or the raw intensity of a motorsport event, the ZF's 5-axis in-body stabilization and focus point stabilization ensure razor-sharp results. And for those seeking the ultimate in resolution, the ZF offers a 96-megapixel high-res mode, capturing every minute detail with astonishing clarity. Immerse yourself in the sensual experience of operating a beautiful machine and let the Nikon ZF reignite your passion for pure, unadulterated photography. So that's all about exciting cameras unveiled at the Photography and Video Show 2024. Do let us know what you think about this, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.